Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, my 14 days ran out for my old FREESTYLE LIBRE 2 thing to put on my arm. So I'm going to open up a new one. Oh, this is how it looks. Prescription on this side. That's how it looks. And somebody asked me where I got the reader. It comes, you have to order it when you get your first prescription of this. I ordered the reader as opposed to using my iPhone. And I ordered this case from Amazon. Put a case on it. And it comes with a charger, so you can charge it. Okay. Opening this up. Lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. It comes with this in the box. It comes with 2 alcohol pads. So I can clean my arm off. I had my shower. And I put lotion on, y'all. So I got to clean it good. I'm trying to see where I had to open. I don't know. They say don't put it over a mole or tattoos or scars or anything. So I've got this birthmark mole. I think I'm going to put it here. I'm not even sure where the other one was. I just took off last night. Well, let me clean. They say you're supposed to put it on the back of your arm, but that's too fat and jiggly. I ain't putting it on there. It worked just fine, me putting it where I was putting it. I'm going to clean this spot off right here. And I also have to keep in mind that when it's time to take it off, you have to be able to get to it and get under that adhesive. Okay. Open that. Open this. Oh, first I'm supposed to make sure these serial numbers match. So serial number on here, and it's one on the bottom of here. Make sure they match exactly. They do. Pulling this off without touching anything. I unscrewed that. Where's that line at? I'm supposed to line up this line here with this line here. Is that lined up? Yeah. Then clamp it down like that. Take it out. And the thing that goes in my arm is under there. Okay. Is this where I cleaned it? I don't know. Don't touch nothing there because it's sterile. Because y'all want to see my face, see if I flinch. Okay, supposed to mash it. Come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's on there. Okay, throw this away. It don't hurt at all. It doesn't hurt. Throw away this stuff. And I got a cover that I cover this up with. Now they have a smaller one. It's called the FREESTYLE LIBRE 3. It's about the size of a penny. So it's smaller than this. But you have to use your iPhone to check it. Okay, let me. Oh shoot, this gotta be charged. No, it don't. Start new sensor. Start new sensor. Okay, scan sensor to start it. It tells you what to do. Okay. It tells you not to take high doses of vitamin C. Okay, I know that. It's touchscreen. I said okay. And sensor can be used in 60 minutes. That's how long before this will work with this. 60 minutes. Okay. Okay. So, I'll just turn it off. It's going to turn off. Okay. So, it'll be ready. And I'm going to put a patch on here. I got some black patches. They're in the other room. I'm going to be back. Okay, I went and got the patch that goes over it. Let me show you. I got these from Amazon. 25 patches. Come in a thing. They're waterproof. And they don't start peeling off until it's almost time to take it off anyway. So this lasts for 14 days and it sticks good through a bunch of showers. That's what it looks like. I wish it was smaller. I can cut that. You know what? I want to cut this. That's what I'm going to do. Do I have scissors in there? No. Well, anyway, I'm going to put this on. I ain't going to prolong this video. I also had bought some of these patches. These are supposed to be flesh tone. Well, they are if you're Caucasian. But my flesh ain't this color. That's how that looks, that color. Look how light that is on me. So, no. I mean, they work, but I ain't this color. I ain't this black either. And I will get some brown ones when these wear out. I mean, when I use them up. But right now, I'm going to cut this. So, when you see me again, I'll have this patch on. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I think I'm going to put this over here like that and cut it much smaller. And this is made out of some kind of fabric. So the it can still be scanned with this. Okay. You just can't put any old thing over this and think you're still going to be able to use the reader and scan it. No. Because there's a hole in it right here, so it has to be scanned. Okay, so y'all be blessed. Okay, bye. Thumbnail. Okay, this is the patch. I said, why I gotta wear this big old ignorant patch? And the thing ain't but this small. So I cut it. So that's the patch on here to keep the sensor from falling off. I cut it myself. Okay. And plus I get more uses out of this pack of 25. Okay. I'm gone for real now. Bye.